Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to work with the comments, and yeah, let's put this comment thing to work. Let's stop the server, and what we need to do, let's create a new app. Let's call it Django admin star app. Let's call it comment. Here we go. We got comment here, and let's add comment to the apps. Comment, save that. Now let's go to the models and let's start creating our models. So class comment models that model. The first thing that we need to do, let's import from post that models, import post, and post will be model dot foreign key of post on delete models that cascade, because we want to delete all the comments if the post is deleted, right? Post comments. Okay. So we got the post. Now let's get the user. Well, we need to import the user first. So from Django.contrib.auth.models import user. User will be models.foreign key. User on delete. Okay. And then body. This will be kind of like the comments. So test field. And then the date. Date time field. Auto now at 2. Okay, we got the comments, and let's save. Let's run the migrations. Make migrations. Oh, I'm like, what's going on? Okay, test field. Make migrations. Oh, we forgot to save. Okay, make migrations and migrate. Okay. Now let's create a new file here in comment. Let's call it forms.py. Here we are. So from Django import forms, then from comment models import comment. Class comment form. Forms. Okay, we're just getting the body, so char field, we get forms that test area, and then we can just gonna want to add the attributes to the class. This one will be validate. That's part of the input for the materialize framework. So required, of course, through now here class beta. Seriously. Comment fields body. Okay, we got the views. I mean, sorry, the form, the models. Now, let's jump to the post views. We're going to work here in the post details. First, let's import from comment models, import comment, and then this is kind of like, I'm kind of like dividing it like this. So let's import the form here. So I'm from comment.forms import comment form. Okay. Comment stuff. Comments will be comment that objects that filter. Then we just post will be post, remember here. And then let's order by date. Okay. Or should we put date? So now let's work with the form. So comment form. If request that method equal post, form will be comment form request that post. If form that is valid, right? Comment will be form that save, very important, commit false. So now we just pass comment, post will be post, comment user will be user, and basically now we just update the post, like post that, wait, where is it? Okay, comment count. Actually, let's save first. Comment dot save. Now post that. Oops, here. Comment count. Put +1. And post that save. So post is safe. Now we can, yeah, comment, it's safe, post safe. Now we return HTTP response redirect, reverse. Okay. Post details, args, post ID. Yeah. Just post ID. Okay. Else form be comment form. Okay, now let's pass the comments and form. Very simple. Save that and let's go to the post details. So on post details, let's go to the, okay, this is the comment area. Let's run the server. We forgot to put a comma here. Okay, so now we are in the comments area. This is like an individual comment. So here for comment in comments, and for push this, oops, let's push this a little bit like that. Okay, let's go to the index because we want to, oh wait, let me see, another index, we can just go here. User leads, right? Oh no. People leads. Yeah, let's copy this picture thing. This is the picture area, so let's paste it here. Let's push this a little bit. So if comment that user, that profile, that picture, comment that user, that profile, picture, etc. So here we put comment that user first name, comment that user that last name. Okay, here we put the comment date, and here comment that username. This is the body of the comment. Let's just delete this. So here, comment that body. Perfect. Okay, so what if we don't have comment? So let's put empty. So if empty, let's put a class, let's put this in the middle, put a actually h5. Now comments be the first one to comment, right? Encourage people to comment, to give their opinion, la la la. And here, yeah, you see, no comments, be the first one to comment. So let's work with the form now. Okay, this is the form. Of course, on top, oops, not on top, right here. We need the CSRF token, cross-forgery token. Very important for every time you're working with the forms or when you're making a post. So form method post action, whatever, role form. Okay, and here this is form that body comment, and this is the submit, and yeah, I think that's it. Let's save. We use which, okay. Seriously, I love this video. Submit, and here we go. I love this video. Ooh, it's working. So we need to update this. So let's go to the wait, here. Okay, index. I'm like, ooh, I got like a little stroke. Okay. This is comments. Here we go. One comment. Okay. We got our comments working. And in this video, we're going to continue upgrading the project. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.